Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your My Phone and open settings, no delay. Scroll to battery and tap it. You'll see the percentage and a usage graph. Once done, make sure battery saver is off so the stats aren't distorted. You're checking how the system reports capacity and drain, not improving it yet. Note recent screen on time and top app consumers. This tells you where energy goes. If you don't see battery, use the settings search bar and type battery. Now inspect the usage details to understand cause and effect. Tap the graph to expand intervals, then review screen on time and background activity for each app. This shows real usage versus phantom drain. Once you identify a top consumer, tap it and read the per app breakdown. Foreground versus background matters. Make sure to note any system service spikes. They point to misbehaving apps or sync loops. If an app shows continuous wake locks, that's your prime suspect to address next. Finish by confirming battery health and applying fixes. Open battery health if available, or use the Security Apps battery module to see estimated capacity. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient issues, update apps, and disable or uninstall any misbehaving apps you found. If numbers still look wrong, clear the system cache partition or boot into safe mode to test baseline drain. Troubleshooting tip: if readings are
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.